Now I just did unboxings on these, so I'm just going to briefly show you what's in here because I don't think everything deleted and stuff is taken out and undone. So if it hasn't, then stay tuned and you'll see that video. In the interim, if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. And if you like this video at the end, make sure that you put a thumbs up. Okay, so you're going to see big poofy bouffant thing in here. And I'll get to that in a minute. Okay, so we got this Bolden Dark Spot Fix. That apparently there were a whole bunch of different things that you could have gotten. I don't really have dark spots. It's 1 ounce, and I think it's just a quick... I'm not going to open it because it's sealed on both sides. I might give this away as is to somebody. I don't know that this is something that I would ever use because I don't have any dark spots. I did get this CoverGirl Clean Fresh Yummy Gloss. I gave the prices on everything. Let's see. I get the booklet out. Okay. Might as well do it from scratch. Okay, so this Bolden Dark Spot Fix. It looks like it goes for $18.98 for 1 ounce, and that's what we have, a full-size 1 ounce. Okay, the CoverGirl Yummy Gloss. I love gloss now. I use it all the time. This is $7.98 for 1, and I do really like gloss. And I love CoverGirl because they did the hard work and managed to get themselves Leaping Bunny certified. So yeah, I try to buy everything from CoverGirl. Then I also got this Mani, which goes for $4.94. Oh, I wish I got the Sally Hansen kit, which is shorter nails. More like, I cut my nails down, but, and my manicure is a little worn out, but I keep them about that long. So this is just might be too long. It says try me, but I don't know what finger that fits on. These are coffin shaped nails by Salon Perfect, and they go for $4.94. Apparently the Sally Hansen, well, that's a pro brush kit, so it's a brush on polish. I don't know. I would have preferred not to get this because yet again I'm going to be giving these away. Okay, next thing is a travel size of Hask Argan Oil. I have to put it all way in the bag because I figured that it wasn't that it was seen. And I love this brand. A full ounce size is 6 ounces, and it goes for $7.27. So you know it's not an expensive product. Got a perfect travel size, which is 1.75 fluid ounces, and it's a 5-in-1 conditioner and detangling spray. Nice. And finally, something I do use is these bonnets. They're good for after you've washed your hair and then you go to bed so that you don't end up with hair standing out all over the place. That's how I use them. I opened this to see if it had a coating inside, and it doesn't. It has like a netting inside. So I'll definitely use that. And if I have another one that I do use, and if I end up not using it, I'll give it to my daughter because she also uses these things. So that was a really good box. There are things in here that I don't want. But, you know, that's the luck of the draw because you could get anything on this list. And, you know, the luck of the draw is I got dark spot and nails that are too long. Those are the two things that I'm not crazy about. But I'll see if I can file these nails down and use them anyway. So that's a really good box. Now we'll go on to the June Allure Beauty box because this one is coming shortly. I just got the shipping notice for July, and yeah, I had everything out of the box, but I did put it back together. So there's the booklet. We'll look at that later, maybe. That's how to gift it. And this is about Mud Masky, which is not one of my favorite things. Apparently you can download a coupon by scanning a code, but I'm not likely to go to a website and buy that. So, the first thing that caught my eye was this Tea Tree Special Detox Kombucha Rinse. Now, I stay away from tea tree for the most part because I found that tea tree is usually for oily people, I guess. This says removes buildup and adds shine. So how does it add shine? I don't know. Anybody have you tried this? And oh, it says also great for color treated hair. Oh shoot. Commitment to plant 1 million trees. I guess every product you get a tree planted. I don't know. I don't believe that crap anyway. I think they're not counting products. I think they're planting as much as they can. So anyway, let me know if you have this and if you like it or don't like it. So that will determine whether I give that away to my daughter or not. Okay, I'm going to pull out the sample size stuff next. And this is Nutriplenish by Avita Leave-In Conditioner. I love leave-in conditioners. This is 1 fluid ounce. That should go pretty fast. Okay, this is a body cream. This is 1 fluid ounce also. Natura Ecos body lotion. Replenishes the skin. Anti-signs for body. I guess they meant to put anti-aging signs. I'm not sure. It does have an expiration date of December 2024. And I like when there are expiration dates because then I can make sure I use stuff up before it dies. Anyway, this is good for your body and face, but I wouldn't put it on my face. I have plenty of moisturizer for that. This is the last sample item, and this is April Skin. So did I open it? It does have an expiration date, which I'm happy to see. In November 2024. And you know, if you travel, you could take a whole bunch of these little sample sizes and, you know, use them as you know, globetrot. Anyway, April Skin Carotene IPMP Hydromelt Cleansing Balm. 1-step makeup remover. So that's good. I'm not going to open that to show you because I'm already using a little sample of that kind of stuff. Okay, we got this Saturday Skin, which is a nice brand. I've never purchased it, but I've gotten it in plenty of boxes. And this bottle, man, this is nice. It's Saturday Skin Pro and Prebiotics. Nice. Whipped cream, it says. Place moisturizer in the palm of the hand using all 4 fingers. Apply in an outward circular motion, tapping the moisturizer into skin. I think we all know pretty much how to put moisturizer on, but they have to put something in the directions. So yeah, that's good. Not opening that because I don't want to start the clock. And finally, my favorite thing I saved for last is this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Drops. Ah, nice. This has not an expiration date, but it has the amount 1.35 fluid ounces on the bottom. And yeah, this is nice. This is really nice. So I'm not going to open that. I don't want to start the clock, but this is a really good box. I think I did manage to tape this box, but just in case I didn't, here we are again with all the stuff that I got. And, you know, including the samples, which are always good. They promise you 3 full-size items. The box runs about $25. I'm not sure. I would have to check that. It used to be one of the cheaper subscriptions, but when they decided to compete with everybody else and give more big items, the price went up. So and don't forget, give me a little bit of feedback on this if you've used it. So anyway, this is really cool. I like it. I don't have oily hair. I don't know if this will agree with me or not. So I might not use it. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. And here we are with our summer Walmart and our box from Allure. So anyway, thank you. Oh, I didn't give you prices on things. Let's see. On the Glow Recipe Dewdrops, $35 for 40 ml, which is the size that we did get. The Saturday Skin is $45 for 45 mls, which is the size that we got. The Avita, a full ounce. Oh, this is 1 ounce. And this 30 mls is 1 ounce. Oh, they gave the price for this little thing. $13. Yeah, that's unusual for them. Then this lotion. This is obviously not 400 mls. This is actually 30 mls, but a full size is 400 mls for $27. Not bad. And the cleansing balm and the hair thing, that's Paul Mitchell. I didn't realize that's Paul Mitchell. Why don't I see his name emblazoned all over the place? Paul Mitchell is cruelty-free. Huh. It says that it is Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Special Detox. Okay, once a week to use in place of your regular shampoo. Squirt onto your scalp, massage and rinse after 1 to 3 minutes. So it's one of those things that you leave on your scalp. And this is $28.50 for 6.8 fluid ounces, which is the size that we did get. Now we got a sample of this April Skin Carotene IPMP Hydro Melt Cleansing Balm. And that is $28 for 90 mls. And we got, what size did we get? Well, I don't see it. I know it's on here somewhere. Oh, there it is. This is 10 mls, 0.33 fluid ounces. So 90 mls is $28. That's actually not a bad price for a cleansing balm. Yeah, I do really, wow, you could get this for $5 for underarms. I don't have dark underarms, but a lot of people do. So anyway, this definitely was a good bunch of stuff, and some of it I will give away to my daughter, but most of it I will be keeping and using. So anyway, don't forget, let me know how this is, and thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, this is a re-recording. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. I will be having more unboxings and art stuff for you guys, so, and planner stuff. This channel started out as a reviewing skincare products channel when I was a young YouTuber, when I first started out, and I didn't do great reviews or have good lighting or a great camera. And then I graduated into a better camera and better lighting, noticing that some of my videos were just too dark. And, you know, here I am. And I've had some time, very trying time, that hasn't stopped with a sick family member. So you guys haven't seen me as often of late, but I do hope to get back to you and, you know, start to see you a little more often. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. And please do tune in again. Make sure you subscribe. Give this a thumbs up. Thanks. Bye.